How do you get smart lights if you don't want to buy new lights? Well, one way is to get a smart socket or a smart plug. And that's what this is. This is a waterproof smart plug from L-Grip. So it's got the 3-prong outlet here. This just has the protective thing on it. And that's the 90-degree plug, so it's not going to offer any stress to the cord as you plug this in and you let this hit. And then this has a waterproof housing. You can get them with 1, 2, you can get them with dimmers. This one also has a 3-prong outlet, so you're going to plug in your outlet there. It's got this rubber like gasket thing so that it's going to provide a nice watertight seal without interrupting your cable. So now you're going to plug in your string of lights, or you're going to plug in your fan or whatever it might be. And once you plug that in, you can lock it down, and with those 2 rubber wipes, it's now weatherproof. And then you've got a switch on the outside here. So this will now work with your apps and your automations, and this will allow you to make a smart device outdoors out of whatever device you want with the smart plug. Hope this helps.